Save a lot of time?
Yes, you may actually turn on the batch mode in our software.
Batch mode.
Yes, so it actually suggests that the part is of the same type, but it might be like some smaller changes there,
Yeah, it's more
and
deviations.
it just confirms that everything like is similar, and without replanning all of the trajectories.
Yeah.
So we will save time for the planning. It will just start welding from the beginning. Yeah, it just will do one snapshot of this, so it like confirm that it's actually this type of detail and so on,
Cool.
to be on the safe side. And you will just put another workpiece, start run. It will run without any confirmation
Yeah.
from you. Run again.
That's great.
Yeah.
Well, I've never seen anything like it before, and it's really impressive stuff. So thanks for giving the demo.
Thank you.
Cheers. Actually, one second.